So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over. If the high. Hi and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the F major, composed of the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. Then you're gonna have the C major, composed by the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. Then D minor, composed of the D, the F, and the A, and the bass note of D. Then A sharp major, composed of the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. And finally the G minor, composed by the D, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of G. Feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. Let's begin by the introduction of this song. So you don't really need a table here, for you will only have to play the F major 8 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Verse. And here's the table for that section. So take the first chord, F major, and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And do the same thing with the D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A sharp major. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So with the lyrics, it'll sound like this. Nice to meet you where you've been. I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sin. Saw you there and I thought, oh my god, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Love's a game, wanna play. Hey. And replay the table one more time with the next lyrics. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So, after you played that table twice, you will reach the chorus and you will have a new table for that section. So let me display it to you right now and notice that the G minor also showed up. We'll be keeping the same method, so directly with the lyrics it should sound like this. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over. If the high was worth the pain. Continue. Got a long list of ex-lovers. They'll tell you I'm insane, 'cause you know I love the players and you love the game. And you repeat that table one last time with the next lyrics, so twice in total. So after you played the chorus, you will need to replay everything from the very introduction. So play the F major 8 times and then play the next tables. Then after the second chorus, you will have a bridge, which is the a cappella section, so you can either stop playing or continuously play the F major chord throughout the entire section. And eventually you'll be able to finish the song by replaying the chorus, repeating the corresponding table twice. I wish you good luck and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.
They call me a god.